What is up? VisualTimmy here, and I'm going to show you in this video how to fix your Procreate app if brushes are not importing. This also works for if color palettes are not importing. So first, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you're running the most up-to-date iOS on your iPad. So come on over to your Settings app and come on down to General and Software Update. Look at that. VisualTimmy is not even running the most up-to-date software. So first thing that I would want to do is update my iOS. So download and install, and that will take you through the process of making sure you're plugged in, if you have enough battery, and so on and so forth. Once you have downloaded the most up-to-date version of iOS, you're going to want to visit the App Store. Now, Procreate doesn't update automatically for a few reasons. Sometimes new updates are buggy. Sometimes your iPad can't handle the new update. So go to Procreate, and instead of open, it will say update. So you want to make sure that you have the most recent update. Boom. And once that's done, everything should work. Your brushes should now import, and you should have no problems. But if that's not working, the old-fashioned turn it off, blow on the cartridge, turn it back on kind of deal. You don't have to blow on it, but turn it off, turn it back on, and that should solve any problems. Sometimes iOS gets a little buggy and there can be some issues with importing things, but if you're having issues and your brushes or palettes won't import, try that first. Second, then try the method that I just showed you in the previous portion of this video by opening up split screen with the Files app. And that is the second way to get it to work. So go ahead and try that out. If that doesn't work, drop a comment or send me a DM and I'll be sure to help you out. See ya.